go get my nails done. It has been like over 3.5 weeks, which is insane. They actually don't look that bad. Obviously you can tell they're grown out, but no breakage. We have some awesome stuff happening in the next couple of days. I have some really exciting packages coming and I'm excited to share with you guys. I feel like my makeup looks kind of wonky this morning. If you guys are new here, my name's Taylor. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I am in the middle of a moving series because I recently moved from Massachusetts to South Florida. These vlogs have been super fun, kind of just getting adjusted to my place, my environment, shopping, unboxing, getting organized, which is something that I'm going to include in this video because my closet is legit a disaster. Just pulled into the nail salon. I'm like 10 minutes early because I didn't know how long it was going to take to get here. This is where I actually got my pedicure and I figured I might as well try out getting my nails done here. I feel so sad because I had a nail lady where I used to live. I'm like, I'm cheating on her, but I have to. I'm gonna go in and just do something very simple and see how they do. I actually creeped on their Instagram and figured out like who I want to do my nails, who does the nails that are similar to mine. I don't know why I have like anxiety. I'm like nervous to get my nails done. It's so silly. I think it's just like new things, but I will show you guys how they come out. This is the before. And these are after. They do look really good. I am very happy with the result. The only thing that was different from where I used to get my nails done back in Massachusetts was they use like this pink hard gel. And at this place, they like do a little dablet of clear gel and then do an overlay and then like a couple clear coats. I'm curious to see how long they last. Hopefully they last just as long as my other ones used to. I'm very excited. I just got French tips with chrome on top. I'm out of breath because I literally just danced in my kitchen. I have been waiting all day for 3 packages to get here. 2 were from Amazon, which was my espresso machine. I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. I'm so excited. I don't even have coffee to like make one in the morning, so that'll be part of my day tomorrow. But I also received my patio furniture, which I am so excited about. I love sitting outside and I have had no chairs out there, so the set is adorable. I got it from Target. I actually have therapy. I have virtual therapy in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna have therapy and then probably be slightly productive and start unboxing and building. Bringing this box in was a struggle. Like being one person, it is heavy. I had to push it in through my door. I'm surprised I did it, but I am so excited to set this up. Hopefully it's easy and doesn't take me too long. And then here we have the espresso machine. I will give you guys all the details on the one that I got as well as the grinder. This was actually a gift from my mom, so thank you, Mom, if you're watching this. She got me the espresso machine and I feel so grateful. I've always wanted an espresso machine. I just got out of therapy. Now this is what my night consists of. I'm watching this show on Netflix and I am setting up my patio furniture. It actually isn't going to be too hard to build, I feel like. Good morning. I am getting ready to go to the gym. I'm just gonna have a little like fig fruit bar and then make a full-on breakfast when I get back and then hopefully set up my espresso machine. Like I said, I don't have any coffee, so I think we're gonna be taking a fun trip to Target. It's actually beautiful out. I just got back from the gym and I decided to stop at the mail room to see if I had anything, and there was a package. I don't know who this is from. Gosh, my manager sent me a welcome home box. Like, this is the cutest thing ever. I have to blow dry my hair really quick because this is what happens. This is what happens when I just let it air dry. Like, I brush it, it turns so curly on the end. In order for it to like last a few days, I have to blow dry it. The patio furniture looks so cute outside, you guys. I love how it turned out and I feel like it's perfect for the space that I have. Also kind of mad at myself because the broom that I got at Marshall's, it like sucks. It's just not good. It kind of bends in weird ways, but it is what it is. I don't know how often I'm really gonna be sweeping out there. Now we're gonna unbox my espresso machine. I will give you guys all the details on which one I picked out and why. This is so exciting. It's also very intimidating. This This is one of the most exciting things to me. I never thought I would have a machine, honestly. I always wanted this machine. This is the Breville Bambino Plus, and I also got the Breville grinder. I'm reading all the instructions about like how to clean and get prepared. It might be a minute before I get back to you guys because I also don't have any coffee. I'm so excited. Like, these are just gorgeous and this is the perfect space for it. I am going to eat some lunch and head to Target. I made some Korean beef last night, so I'm gonna make a Korean beef bowl. I have leftover veggies, and then I'm gonna just heat up some rice with some sriracha mayo. When I tell you I am starving and so excited to eat this, kind of like a modge podge of everything, and then I'm gonna save the rest of this rice for tacos tonight. I really don't mind eating the same thing over and over again because I have leftover beef, so I'm like, I might as well just eat it and use it. Just got back from my Target trip, and let me tell you, it was a win. It was a home run. I also went to Trader Joe's just to pick up some bread and some flowers and some string cheese, which I already put in the fridge. I wanted to show you guys because Target's having their circle week right now. This vlog is going up a lot later, but I did get these mosquito repellent incense. I've been wanting to try these for a while, and now that I have the patio set up, this is perfect. I also snagged 3 of the lemon lime poppy flavor. This is a new flavor if you guys are obsessed with poppy like me. Target has these in stock and they were on sale, so I was like, score. I also got a hard-boiled egg cooker because I missed mine from home. I hate boiling eggs, and I also tried it in the air fryer and it was a complete fail, so I figured I would just get one of these because I eat like 2 to 3 hard-boiled eggs a day when I have them. And then I picked up this to make some coffee. This is just an espresso roast by Starbucks. Let me know your recommendations in the comments down below because obviously I'm new to this whole espresso thing. I want to know what beans to buy, and I felt like this was just a good safe bet to start. Also, I picked up some heavy whipping cream to make cold foam, and I finally found this coffee creamer. I have been searching for this for months. I kid you not, I have been looking for that coffee creamer for so long. It's a flavor that I know I'm gonna be obsessed with. I was never like a huge Target girly, but now I feel like I am, especially because I live so close to one. And I love the app because it tells you like what's on sale, and it also tells you where to find it in the store, like which aisle, so I was using that with everything that I was looking for. I just finished with work and I have made the adult decision to work on my closet. It's really not that bad. I do have a lot of space, but like no space to walk. And I bought these organizers from Amazon for my pants because wait till you see my pants. They are all folded in there, and some of them are on the ground like just from falling. Some of them are just in a bin. They're literally so high up I can't even see it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually hang them down here. That way the space behind there can be used for something else. And then at the top I just have a bunch of sweatshirts, which I surprisingly have been wearing my sweatshirts here. And then this is all part of the moving process. I am still living out of a couple bins because I need to get a dresser, and I want to put the dresser right here once I get it. Right now I just have this TV stand that some of my clothes are in, but that's not going to work long term. I have yet to put my shoes on a shoe rack. I have 2 bags of shoes, and this is the shoe rack that I got, so I think I'm going to start attacking this. This is what we're working with now. Obviously, like I said, I don't have a dresser, so I still have bins that need to be put in a dresser. I built these shoe racks, which I'm really excited about. I can see all my shoes and realizing I have too many shoes. I kept the sweatshirts up there for now. I hung up all of my jeans, which these things are amazing. And then I just folded some sweatpants and some t-shirts and tanks in the back there. This is what we're working with for now. I feel a lot better, feeling much more organized. Hello everyone, good morning. I just vacuumed my entire apartment and I hopped in the shower afterwards because I was sweating. I haven't done my skincare yet, so I wanted to give you guys a quick little update. I'm not going to go through like exactly what I'm doing on my skin right now. If you want to see an updated like skincare favorites video and the products that I love and how I use them, then let me know in the comments down below. I wanted to shout out this Salty Face tanning water. I purchased this with my own money. If they want to send send me some, please feel free because it is amazing. I got the light to medium shade and the brush. I feel like it just gave me a healthy looking glow other than being super pale, and as you guys know, I don't tan my face. Like, I don't let sun go on my face, so I'm really impressed by this, and no breakouts so far. It sits really nicely on the skin and looks very natural. I don't know how often I'm gonna use this. I'll keep you guys posted on like how long it lasts. I am back in my new face routine. I don't do this every single day. I actually switch on and off between my new face and my gua sha. Happy to do a whole routine on that as well. I'm gonna quickly do this and then actually head out to Costco. To walk out the door. I decided I'm not gonna have my coffee just yet. I'm gonna wait till I get back just so I can really enjoy it and maybe sit out on the patio. Y'all, I was being tested in there. I'm not kidding. There was so many people and it was very chaotic. I got stuck behind the slowest people, got cut off, crashing out, and like I don't have the energy in me to just be angry, so I just let it go. Picked up some more chomps, eggs, and then I got 2 half and halves. I was here a lot longer than expected. Just got back and I'm starting my process of making an espresso. I think I'm just gonna do it over ice with some half and half, and I'm gonna do the cinnamon half and half as cold foam. I actually have one of these that I can just manually froth. Moment of truth. Let's see how it goes. I did all the steps. I did the razor part. I pressed down with this not too hard. Okay. I'm not sure. That doesn't look like a lot. Okay, she's not that bad. It's not the worst looking cup of coffee. I have to get used to the fact that you don't actually need a lot of espresso to make a coffee. I am going to master this. This is one of my goals this year, is to master this coffee vibe. We are doing something so exciting and steaming my shower curtain. This is something I would never think to do, but my mom was like, you should steam your shower curtain. I'm like, should I? Also, I feel like the lighting in this bathroom is a lot better than my bathroom, so maybe I'll film like skincare and get ready with me's in here. This is the steamer I have. It is from Costco. This is the shower curtain that I think I got at Home Goods. It's very basic. It's like linen texture. I have no idea if that made a difference. I am headed out for the night and I wanted to show you guys the dress that I'm wearing. It is so stunning. This was actually sent to me by 12th Tribe and it's just gorgeous. It's so comfortable, so flowy. There's a little bit of an open back. I'm leaving my hair as is because it's probably just gonna get put up in a ponytail if it's hot out. I am headed out. My mom and I are actually gonna go to a night market. We're gonna go to dinner. We're gonna make it like we're on vacation.